Now let's start with doubt exercise number 3A. Question number 20. If x minus 1 upon x equal to 4, then you have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square and x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Okay. Now as I told you, we will start with the lesser power. Then lesser power is 2 and 1. This is the lesser power. So x minus 1 upon x equal to 4. Squaring on both the sides. X minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to 4 the whole square. Now expand is a minus b the whole square is x square minus 2 x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square is 4 4s are 60. But x upon 1 upon x is cancelled. So x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 2 on other side, 16 plus 2. Hence x square plus 1 upon x square is 18. So I got the value x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 18. Now still I want 4 power. Now compare with 2 power and 4 power. We will start with the lesser power. So x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 18. Squaring on both the sides. X square plus 1 upon x square the whole square is equal to 18 the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square is b square. So 4 plus 2 x square into 1 upon x square plus b square, that is x raised to 4 is 18. 18 into 18, 364. Four. 324. 18 into 18, 324. Okay, it's cancelled. So x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is 324 minus 2 is that 322 is your answer. 324. Right? Number 21. Number 21 is x minus 2 equal to 1 upon 3x. Then you have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon 9x square and x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 81 x raised to 4. All sums are of the same kind. X term on one side and a number one side. 1 minus 1 upon 3x is equal to 2. This term in this side, so minus and minus to plus. Now squaring on both the side, 1 minus 1 upon 3x the whole square is equal to 2x x x the whole square. Now a minus b the whole square is x square minus 2x 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3x the whole square is 4. 2 square is 4. So x square cancel. 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 9x square equal to 4. So x square plus 1 upon 9x square, whatever I want keep in on one side and else on other side. 4 plus 2 upon 3 minus triple plus 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, that is 14 by 3. The value of x square plus 1 upon 9x square is 14 by 3. That's the value of x square plus 1 upon 9x square is 14 by 3. Now still I want 4 power. Now start with the lesser power and squaring on both the sides. X square plus 1 upon 9x square the whole square is 14 by 3 the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square formula is x square no b square plus 2 x square 1 upon 9x square plus 1 upon 9x square no square is 14 square 196 and 3 3s are 9. Square square cancel. So x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 9 9s are 81, x raised to 4 is 196 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. Right. Then 9 is LCM. 196 by 2 is 194. So x square plus 1 upon 81 x raised to 4 is 194 by 9 is your answer. Right? Now reverse. Reverse કેવી રીતે? સ્ક્વેર આપેલું છે ને એમાંથી 1 પાવર લાવવાનો. How? When x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 7, then you have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. First is, second is x minus 1 upon x, and third is 2x square minus 2 upon x square. Okay? Chalo. Now x square and x, which is lesser in power? This, obviously, then we will take x plus 1 upon x. But I don't have a value in front of it. Then just square and write it formula in front of the square formula. Is x square plus 2 x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. X cancel. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Just I arrange the term. But I have the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 7 plus 2 is 9. That is x plus 1 upon x is the whole square is 9. Hence the x plus 1 upon x is under root 9, that is plus or minus. So x plus 1 upon x is plus or minus 3. Okay. Now I have value of this. But now I have value of x minus 1 upon x. Be remember, never from a single power and single power you cannot find from single power to single power. Again you have to go through question, the single power and 2 power. Okay. Again x minus 1 upon x as compared to this 2, this is the lesser in power, but I don't have its value. Then make it square and write its formula in front of the square. So x square minus 2 x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. X cancel. X square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. But I have value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 7 minus 2 is 5. Its value of x minus 1 upon x the whole square. But I want just x minus, not square. So square on another side. So x minus 1 upon x is plus or minus root of 5. Now I have value of x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x. Now let's start with the third portion. 2x square minus 2 upon x square. Now 2 is not there in any of the results. So 2 is common. 2 is common. X square minus 1 upon a square. This is the formula of a square minus b square. Then a square minus b square. Then the without square a plus b, a minus b. Got it? This is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. And a square and b square. A square minus b square, that is x square, 2 common, 2 common, then x square and 1 upon x square is left. That is 2 x the whole square and 1 upon x the whole square. X the whole square and 1 upon x the whole square. Now this is the formula of a square minus b square. Is 2a square minus b square. The answer is a minus b, a plus b. Yani without square you have to write a plus b, a minus b. And here is a square minus b square. So without square we can write x minus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x. This is the formula, yaar. So I have value of x minus 1 upon x is 2 plus or minus root 5. And x plus 1 upon x is plus or minus root 3. Yani 3 2s are 6, that is plus or minus root 5. And that this answer is plus or minus 6 root 5. Okay. Which it's very important. Actually, it is base of the 10th. Okay. અત્યારે તમને કઈ ટેબલ ના આવે પણ ટેબલ આવડે તો તમને મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન આવે in a lot each and every sums you will be multiplied, right? So this is the base of the 10. This type of direct questions will not be asked, but it directly in lots of questions we will use in 10. Question number 26. 26 number. A square minus 4a minus 1 equal to 0. Right? Now divide each term by a. This kind of questions we can do on both the sides, and 0 upon a is actually 0. So a cancel is a cancel is 4, minus 1 upon a is 0. So a minus 1 upon a is 4. That's the result. This is given and you have to find the values of a minus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square plus a square minus 1 upon a square, and a square plus 1 upon a square. Now look at a minus 1 upon a. Are we go? Yes. We go. Okay. तो आने ले लो. एना परથી શું મળે? Square આ મળશે આ. Always square, then plus sign in between the last number. આ first આવી ગયું તો first answer. That is the first answer. Second, third, and fourth. Now first we get directly we will get 4 number result when we square on both the sides. Now a minus 1 upon a equal to 4. Now squaring on both the sides. So a square minus 2, a into 1 upon a cancel, 1 upon a square is 16. So a square plus 1 upon a square, 16 plus 2 is 18. That is answer number 4. Okay? From the single power we will directly not get the single power. But from the square we get the single power. Now again a plus 1 upon a, but I don't have the value, so square and in front of it is formula a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2, just I arrange the term. But now I have value of a square plus 1 upon a square is 18 plus 2. So it is 20. What? A plus 1 upon a the whole square. So a plus 1 upon a is plus or minus root 20. It's plus or minus root 20. Okay. Now a plus 1 upon a value I have. First answer, fourth answer. This is the third answer. This is the third answer. Now I want second answer. Now third answer, a square minus 1 upon a square. That is the a square minus 1 upon a square without square, 1 time plus 1 time minus its formula. But I have value of a plus 1 upon a. that is plus or minus root 20, and a minus 1 upon a is 4. So plus or minus 5 4s are 20 into 4, but 4 is 2, 4 root is 2 root 5 into 4, so plus or minus 8 root 5. That is the answer of a square minus 1 upon a square. Look, always remember, if I get value of 1 power, then I cannot directly find this. From the single power, I can find it square but with the plus sign in between. From the square now I can find single power. Because it is formula a square plus 1 upon a square, in its formula we have, and substitute the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. So square in the other side, so a plus 1 upon a is plus or minus root 20. So from 1 time plus 1 time minus, I can write a square minus 1 upon a square. Okay. ભાઈ આટલું બધું બહુ જ થાય છે, ટાઈમ બહુ જાય છે. Number 31, it's a doubt of most of student. 31 number. A plus B plus C equal to 14, and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 74. Then you have to find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Now again take C smaller power, 2 power, 1 power. Then we will start from here. A plus B plus C equal to 14, squaring on both the sides. Now what is the formula of A plus B plus C the whole square? This formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 14 square is 196. Now I have the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 74, and I want to find ab plus bc plus ca, not 2ab. So let's make 2 as a common, so I can find the bracket same as what I want. 2 common, so AB, आमाथी 2 common तो BC, आमाथी 2 common तो CA equal to 196. So 74 आ साइड जाए तो माइनस થાય, 2AB plus BC plus CA is 196 minus 74. 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 7, 2. 122 is 2AB plus BC plus CA is 122. Hence AB plus BC is CA is 122 upon 2 is 61. Hence AB plus BC plus CA is 61 is your answer. आप हमने फाइंड करवाना है AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Number 34. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 89. AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 16. Then you have to find the value of A plus B minus C is what? Chalo, let's start. A square, B square, C square, and AB plus B, A plus B minus C, which has lesser power, square and 1 power. Then we will start from here. That is A plus B minus C the whole square is, but minus 1 तो अपने पास formula है नहीं, तो we will do A plus B plus minus C the whole square. It's like A plus B plus C in place of minus C. Now A plus B plus C the whole square formula is A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc in place of c minus c, bc plus 2c and a. Only c is negative. So a square plus this is the formula of a plus b minus c the whole square. એ સામે રાખવાનું because any value નથી તો its formula in front of it. a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now a square plus b square plus c square is 89 plus 2 common, ab minus bc minus ca, 2 common from all the 3 last term, 89 plus 2, ab minus bc minus ca, the value is 16, this value is 16 is given, 89 plus 32, 121, that is a plus b minus c, the whole square is 121. a plus b minus c, the whole square is 121. So a plus b minus c is under root 121, that is plus or minus 2 plus or minus 11. Right? Now here is the completion of 3a with all doubts. Now more identities, and now today is compulsory, all of you must have to write this identity 25 times and you have to submit me in homework. Okay, whatever I give you homework along with this identity you have to write 25 times. Now whole square identity in 3a. Now cube identity in B section, 3b, cube identity. Now cube identity, what is a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, same bracket 3 times. It means a plus b the whole cube formula. What will be the formula of a plus b the whole cube? Cube inside plus something extra. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Total 3 terms. This is in multiplication term. That is a plus b the whole cube. And what is a plus b? The same bracket 3 times. It is just for your knowledge. This is only the formula of formula. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay. Now what is a minus b the whole cube formula? Is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Right? Now what about x and 1 upon x? Let's substitute in place of b x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Then it will be x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 x into 1 upon x. Cancel. Got it? X into 1 upon x. A and b. A b. So x into 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x. Bracket itself. But I cancel. So the formula is just like this. X cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 in the bracket x plus 1 upon, because here x into 1 upon x is cancelled. If you cannot remember this formula, then try to remember this main formula and substitute the value 1 by 1. Same as x minus 1 upon x the whole cube equal to x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 છે ને, a cube b cube minus 3 પછી આ ab નું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન અને એની સાથે સેમ બ્રેકેટ. તો આનું b cube minus આનું b cube minus 3 આ બંનેનું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન ab છે, ab here x into 1 upon x, x into 1 upon x, that is cancelled. And same as bracket itself, x upon x, x. These are the formation or formula in a plus b, and this is the version of x plus 1 upon x. But both the thing is same. Now the whole cube formula. Now second type. Write it down 25 times. जो भाई તમે ફોર્મ્યુલા લર્ન ના કરો તો તમને ના આવડે, રાઈટ? 25 ટાઈમ્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા લખવાના છે. નાઉ second formula. In the second formula compulsory two brackets so why a plus b in the second bracket, a plus b in the second bracket આનો સ્ક્વેર, અહીંયા પ્લસ છે તો અહીંયા માઈનસ, જસ્ટ આ બંનેનું મિક્સચર, compulsory last bracket plus and b square, got it? Two brackets a plus b, અહીંયાનો સ્ક્વેર, અહીંયા પ્લસ હોય તો માઈનસ ab and આનો સ્ક્વેર is a formula of a cube plus b cube. Now try to solve it. ચલો આને સોલ્વ કરીએ. પહેલા a નું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન બધા સાથે કરો. a into a square is a cube, a into minus ab, that is a minus a square b. Now plus ab square. Oh, okay, a no term khatam. Now b no term plus a square b plus minus minus ab square plus 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 b into b, b cube. Now look at a square b cancel, ab square plus minus cancel, then a cube plus b cube is left. But who will do lots of effort? Direct આવું હોય તો એ answer. That is the formula. Got it? What is the formula? Compulsory two brackets. जो અહીંયા two brackets a plus b and other bracket અહીંયાનો square plus અહીંયાનો square. અહીંયા plus છે તો minus, not 2ab, just ab. Then this is the formula of આ બંનેનું plus sign સાથે a cube plus b cube, not whole cube. It's not a whole cube. Whole cube formula is different. Whole cube formula હમણાંની પહેલા કરાયો. What is the whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, that is the whole cube formula. Bracket di bar whole cube. It's not a whole cube. It's personal cube. Right? That is a vast difference between, ફરીથી સમજાવો, what is the whole cube and personal cube? A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b without cube, a square minus ab plus b square. Right? And what is the formula of whole cube? Whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. That is the difference. This is the personal cube and this is the whole cube. The formula is different. Okay. Now what about અહીંયા a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. નહીં, અહીંયા minus છે, અહીંયા minus હોય તો બીજા બ્રેકેટમાં plus. That plus, that is the formula of a cube minus b cube. And what is the formula of a minus b, the whole cube? Is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. ચલો આ બંને ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એ 25 ટાઈમ્સ લખવાના છે. Is a whole cube formula, is personal cube formula. Got it? Now third formula, very long formula. What is it? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. If this is given, then we can write like this, and if this is given, then we can write this answer. And some important result is when a plus b plus c is 0, if only a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc નો formula છે, only a cube b cube c cube નો formula નથી. પાછળ 3abc કમ્પ્લીટ આવે. બટ વેન ઇફ a plus b plus c equal to 0, ચલો 0 લગાડો અહીંયા. 0 this bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. if a plus b plus c is 0 છે, if આની વેલ્યુ 0 છે, 0 into a plus b plus c is 0, આની જગ્યાએ 0 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. But 0 into anything is 0, 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0. Hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc બીજી સાઈડ જાય is 3abc. That is the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. But this is when a plus b plus c equal to 0, then and then this is applicable. Else a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc નો ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. a cube plus b cube plus c cube નો ફોર્મ્યુલા નથી, આનું જ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. પણ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ક્યારે હોય? જ્યારે a plus b plus c 0 હોય તો જ 3abc ને આ બાજુ લઈ જવાય, તો જ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા બને. નાઉ કેટલા ફોર્મ્યુલા થયા? 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 formulas. 6 અને આનો x અને 1/7 અને 8 ફોર્મ્યુલા. આના x માં લખો. ચલો મેં ટીક કર્યા. એ ફોર્મ્યુલા 25 ટાઈમ્સ લખવાના છે. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 ફોર્મ્યુલા. એન્ડ બીજું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે x plus 1/x the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1/x cube plus 3x plus 1/x. This is the formula of x plus 1 the whole cube and x minus 1 the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 1/x cube minus 3 x minus 1/x. Total 2 to 4 5 6 7 and 8 are the formula that you have to write 25 times. અને તમારા મમ્મીને કહેવાનું કે તમને રેન્ડમલી કોઈ પણ આપે આડોડું કરીને તો તમને આવડવું પડે. પછી એવું ના કહેતા કે મેમ નથી ફાવતા સમ્સ, बिकॉज તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા ના આવડે તો પછી સમ ના આવડે, રાઈટ? તો પહેલા ફોર્મ્યુલા કરો પછી ને પછી સમ કરો. ઓકે.